And Melissa Frey joins us now. Maybe you can answer what it looked like for us in Eugene compared to that.
Yeah, I think we'll let them have that honor of topping 60 inches of rain. We didn't quite make it here in Eugene. Typically, Portland does see actually less rain than Eugene does, but that was not the case here for 2012. Since the first of the year, we've picked up just barely over 50 inches of rainfall, so almost 10 inches less than them. The average for us, though, is about 45 inches, so we were a good 5 inches above average so far. Again, the year's not over yet, but so far for the month of December, we've seen almost 7.5 inches of rainfall when the average is just a little bit under 7 inches. So we've already picked up more than we would typically see for the month of December, but when you look at the entire year, we're about 5 inches above average at this point. It has been a wet year. Last December was actually pretty dry. It's also been very warm this December, and that was true yesterday. The high temperature made up to 49 degrees. The average is just about 45. And one thing that we've seen night after night after night is our temperatures not falling down to where they typically do. Typically, we fall down to about 33 degrees, and last night, like many nights this month, we were in the upper 30s, just 37 for the low. The record, though, all the way down to 1 degree, and that was set back in 1924, so at least we're not that cold. 39 right now in Eugene, 40 in Roseburg. We're also seeing upper 30s when you head out to the coast. Cooler air as you head east of the Cascades, down into the teens and low 20s for those of you waking up in Central Oregon. But check out Burns and Lakeview. They're both just at 9 degrees this morning. Now, we are seeing a pretty mild start to the day. The dew point is just 1 degree below the temperature. When those two numbers are the same, that's when we start to see that fog form. So I do expect a little bit of patchy fog here early this morning. The visibility right now, though, still at the full 10 miles. Should be a rather easy commute into work here. We did see some scattered showers overnight, mainly to the north of Benton and Linn County, and those showers are quickly wrapping up this morning. So I expect dry conditions for most of the day. We do have this warm front, though, that is going to move in here later tonight. Could see just a little bit of light rain from that later this evening. And then as we head into Friday, a cold front's going to move through. That will also bring in the chances for a little bit of light rain. But here's the thing, that jet stream, see how it shoots straight down to the south? That's going to continue to be the case here all the way through Saturday morning. So it's going to pick up this entire storm system. It's going to keep it offshore for the most part. I will barely get clipped by the outer edge of that, but the brunt of that will actually head down into Southern California. So once we get through this, just a little bit of light rain tonight and again Friday night, completely dry conditions for Saturday, Sunday, even into New Year's Eve. You can see the timing of all of this on precision casts. Again, this morning picking up just a little bit of light rain, snow above 2,000 feet. But Friday, again, staying dry, except for the coast and the Umpqua Basin and further south, seeing a little bit of light rain, a little bit of light snow. Other than that, we're in the clear all the way through New Year's Day. So for the coast, you'll be in the upper 40s, mostly cloudy. Winds will be from the southwest today. You'll see a little bit of light rain Friday, otherwise dry through the weekend. And then New Year's Day will ring in 2013 with a little bit of light rain for the second half of the day. The Umpqua Basin, you'll be in the mid 40s today. Partly sunny skies for you. Light winds there today. Just a little bit of light rain Friday, otherwise dry Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But we're going to have to trade in the rain for the cold air. Highs in the low 40s, overnight lows down to the low 30s. The Cascades will see 1 to 2 inches above 2,000 feet today. I'm really not expecting much. Highs will be in the low 30s there. Central Oregon, partly cloudy skies, staying dry for the most part. Highs in the low to mid 30s. You'll see chances for just a little light snow Friday night and Saturday morning. Otherwise dry Sunday and Monday, although it will stay quite cool. And then for the valley, highs will be in the mid 40s, a little bit of morning fog, partly sunny. Seeing a little bit of light rain tonight, again Friday night, otherwise dry Saturday all the way through New Year's Eve.